Retreat literally means to go to a safe place. So retreat home is more than just a regular home. The spaces are not just functional, they prompt a different way of living. It's built not just to live but to facilitate a more healthier and a more balanced lifestyle and providing a much needed pause from the grind and a chance to genuinely rest and reflect. And like the word suggests, we have planned the residence in such a way that it helps the client to take a step back from the daily activities and daily grind of your work and give them an opportunity to connect with themselves.
Hi, myself, architect Chinmay Laiwala.
Hi, I am Tarika Asarawala.
Hi, I am Jigar Asarawala from Neogenesis Plus Studio 0261 Surat. Join us for the home tour of Retreat Home in Surat. To download the premium videos and PDFs with plans, please log on to buildofy.com. The link is in the description below.
Site is located in the Jahangirpura area of the Surat city. So when client came to us, they already owned this piece of land and they wanted a home which is secluded from the city. So our site area is 57,000 square meter, which are open field. So there are two roads which are passing through the site. From the secondary road, which is our main entrance, there is an existing coconut alley.
We planned 3 different blocks catering different activities.
Right from the beginning, we have tried to incorporate nature into the house. So when you are at the canopy area, there is a large ferro cement pot which greets you at the arrival. One side of the corridor, the thick hedge of bird of paradise plants are planted over here, which slows you down.
Jharoka plays a very important role in the main entrance facade, and we have placed a nice cantilevered jharoka right over the entrance foyer.
As soon as you are entering through this main door, this is where the heart of the house is, which is our 60 feet by 60 feet courtyard. So we have planted a huge plumeria tree and a huge boulder is there beneath the tree. So that becomes the focal point of the courtyard.
Swings are the anchors of our cultural memory, and verandahs hold the everyday life. These elements really root the home in an Indian way of living.
At the living room, we have this huge glass window which can open up and goes into the walls. So when you open it out, you didn't see any barrier there. Southern side, we try to keep open area which act as a extension of living room.
On the northern side, we have 2 bedrooms. So we have designed a dry and soft landscape on the outdoors. We have a sports room which is facing the courtyard as well as to the garden area. We have planned trellises. These trellises are on the western side of the house, so it will cut the sun. After this courtyard, when we are heading towards the wind tunnel, we have one corner which has the sunken jacuzzi. We have made this from the green marble which is built in. We have planned a dry courtyard over here which has skylight above so that it gives more natural light to the jacuzzi area.
Along with the rooms for each and every activity, we have planned a lot of in-between spaces such as foyer surrounded by landscape, a jhula in the corridor, a small cozy terrace facing the orchard, or just a wooden ledge jutting out of the window as a small seat.
So 2 different vertical blocks, lift and staircase lead you to the first floor from the entrance. The southern part is whole master bedroom block. The north part is guest room and TV room, and center is the main family sitting area. There are 7 bedrooms on the upper floor. The main master bedroom cater a private terrace and which opens up into the Chiku orchard. The window what we have planned is like when you see you can see a picture frame of landscape as well as two louvers on both the side of the window.
We have planned a planter bed on the first floor. So there are curtain wall creepers which are trapping from above. So these curtain wall creepers act as a shading device and they cut the sun's heat and the hot wind in summers. We have added bird of paradise and Dracælia creeper also to add colors.
In the whole house, we have decided to go for pitch roof. For the family area, if you see the profile, it protects from the harsh heat. And on the eastern side, it opens up the view to the central courtyard. By bringing the volume of the corridors on the first floor a little down, it gives a very cozy feel to the moment. The bigger openings and the larger windows helps connect the living room, the courtyard and the banquet lawn seamlessly.
These three blocks are connected with the outdoor terrace. Where you stand there, you can see infinite green of Chikuwadi.
In both the plannings and material selection of this project, we have deliberately chosen each and every material which are true to its form, and we have used it in the same way, be it the Rajula stone on the walls, the exposed ceiling concrete, Kota stone flooring, or the wooden elements. They are all kept to its natural form. Even the walls are done in lime plaster.
Ground floor, we kept a stone walls that make you feel that it is very much connected to the ground. On the first floor, we have used brick, which gives a very light feel, and the concrete band adds linearity to space.
So we have consciously designed this landscape. We incorporated trees which are native and tropical. They anchor the home in its ecological setting. The pathway lay over this grass in a meandering shape very organically.
So the house was never conceived to be complete or finished. With the time, stones will have a different effect of seasons. The lime plaster will behave differently. Even the inhabitants will have a lot of memories with passing years.
As trees grow, creepers thicken, tree spreads its canopy. The house will feel even more rooted. Over the time, it will gain character, becoming more authentic and inseparable from the environment around it.